Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create Blue Sky account. So the very first thing you should do here is you have to install this Blue Sky application. And then what you're going to do next is you have to open, and as you can see, there's this create account button. Here you need to add your email address. You need to add your password. You need to enter and select your birth date. So make sure that your email address is working because they will be sending a code in order for you to activate your account. Now create a strong password and select your date or date of birth. Once done, click confirm. And then what you're going to do next is you have to click next button. Then after that, you need to simply input your handle. So it could be your username. It's same as your username. So you will be notified if this handle is not available. So you have to follow this. Only contains letters, numbers, and hyphens, and at least 3 characters. And then after that, you have to click this next button, and you need to complete the challenge by tapping I am human. You have to click this one, and you need to verify that you're 100% human by tapping this. So click the images with the object present in the example image. After that, what you're going to do is you have to click next. So make sure that your answer here is correct. Okay, so once you're done verifying that you're 100% human, now is about time to set up your profile. You can give your profile a face. So to do that, you have to click continue or you can create an avatar here. Okay, so all you have to do is to click an avatar or upload a photo instead. But you have to allow or give access to this application to your gallery. After that, what are your interests? You can click whatever you want and then you're good to go. So click let's go, wait for a couple of seconds as it is finalizing, and here it is. You just have created a Blue Sky account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.